Busy Lamp Field, or BLF, is a feature that will be programmed onto a Softkey button. The LED associated with that button will be used to see the other user's phone status. You're not listening to their calls. You are simply giving a visual indicator that will show if they are on a call, idle, or receiving a call. When the BLF Softkey LED is not lit, this indicates they are not on the phone or the line is idle. When the BLF Softkey is lit, this indicates they are on the phone or the line is in use. When the BLF Softkey is flashing, this indicates they are receiving an incoming call. So here's the scenario for this tutorial. Mike Murphy would like to see the status of Robert Ray's phone. Here's how to build a BLF Softkey on Mike Murphy's phone. This is a two-step process. Step 1. Create a BLF list of phone users that Mike Murphy will be able to see their status. Step 2. Assign a Softkey on Mike Murphy's phone to be used as a BLF key. My goal is to assign it to the 5th top Softkey. If Mike was monitoring the status of multiple phones, then I would assign multiple BLF Softkeys. From the OpEasy main menu, click on Provisioning. Click on Users. I will select the group where Mike Murphy is located. The user mode needs to be advanced. In the user search, you can narrow the list of users by changing the search parameters. I'll change the parameter from All Users to Last Name, and I'll type Murphy and click the search button. All users that meet the criteria will appear. I only have one user that meets my search criteria, that is Mike Murphy. On the right side of the user information, click on Edit. Click on the Service drop-down box and select Busy Lamp Field, BLF. This is where we will create a BLF list. In the BLF list URI field, we will give the list a name. Try to use something that will identify the BLF list and associate it with your user. I'm going to use Mike Murphy _ BLF. The next field is Restart Phone on Save, meaning once you save the settings, the phone would reboot and restart with the new settings. During step 2 of this process, I'm going to update the phone template, and I will reboot the phone then, so I will uncheck this box. Now I need to search for Robert Ray. Again, I can narrow the list of users by changing the search parameters. I'll search by last name and narrow it further in the next box. I'll select equal to. Then I'll type Ray and click on the search button. I'll click on the name Robert Ray to highlight the name. Then I'll click on the Add button. If you have additional users you want to add to be monitored, repeat the process. To remove a user from the list, highlight their name and click on the Remove button. When I am done adding users to the list, I will click on the Apply button. That completes step 1. Create a BLF list and add users to the list. Step 2. Add a BLF Softkey to the phone template for Mike Murphy's phone. To view Mike Murphy's current phone template, click on the Phones tab. Look under Phone Devices. Mike has 3 phone devices. The first entry is Mike's physical phone. There's the MAC address, device type, line port information, the type is primary, and there is the template. Mike's current template is 6867i, template 2, at the group level. The other 2 devices are for the communicator client, one for his PC and one for his mobile phone. So let's look at the template. From the menu on the left, click on Phone Templates, then click on Definitions. Select your template level, Enterprise, Group, and Device Type. Mike Murphy's device is a 6867i. If you are not sure about which template level, Enterprise, Group, or Device Type to select, check with your system administrator. There is the template, 6867i, Template 2. Click on the Action drop-down list to the right of this entry and select Edit. Before we make any changes, I need to caution you to review the list of users that are using this template by clicking on the Template Users tab and then searching by users. Because when you make a change, that change will happen on all phones that use this template. If there are phones using this template that you don't want to have this new feature, then make a new template and use that template instead. A separate tutorial is available on how to make a new template. So let's continue. Remember, my goal was to assign the BLF key to the 5th top Softkey. I'll click on the top Softkey tab. Click on the drop-down list to the right of key 5 and select BLF list. Select the phone line. I'll select line 1. So if Mike pushes the BLF button, it'll speed dial Robert Ray and use line 1. If you have multiple users in the BLF list, repeat the process on the next available Softkey. If you decide you don't want a BLF list Softkey, then in the drop-down list, change it to Select Key, and the Softkey will be unassigned. I only need to program one BLF list Softkey for Mike, so I'll continue and select the Restart Phone checkbox and click OK. If any of the users are on the phone, the restart will be delayed until they hang up. Mike Murphy's phone is rebooting and will restart with the new configuration. For this scenario, Mike's phone will have the 5th top Softkey programmed as a busy lamp field key for Robert Ray's phone. Now, Mike can see the status of Robert's phone. So now let's do a quick summary and review the process. We went to provisioning and selected a user, Mike Murphy. Opened the BLF service tab. We added a phone user to the BLF list, Robert Ray. This is also where we could add multiple users or remove users from the BLF list. Then we went to the template definitions page and edited the template that Mike Murphy's phone was using. We also double-checked that modifying this template would not have a negative impact on other users that were using this template. We selected an available Softkey. In this scenario, that was top Softkey number 5. And from the drop-down list, we assigned it BLF list. Then we restarted Mike Murphy's phone so that it would restart with the new configuration and display the new BLF Softkey. This completes this tutorial